What will happen in a drag race between a Xiaomi SU7 Ultra and a Tesla Model S Plaid? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow. The Xiaomi SU7 Ultra has 3 electric motors, 1 on the front axle and 2 on the rear, giving it all-wheel drive and launch control. It puts out 1,548 horsepower and 1,770 Nm of torque. It weighs 2,360 kilograms and costs 529,900 yuan in China. That's about £55,000. The Tesla Model S Plaid is also powered by 3 electric motors, 1 on the front axle and 2 on the rear, so it also has 4-wheel drive and launch control. Combined, the Tesla has 1,020 horsepower and 1,420 Nm of torque. It weighs 2,190 kilograms and costs £115,000. Kynan, your car, it looks familiar. I've seen it on the internet somewhere. Tell me about it.
Yeah, exactly. This is a car that we ship from Beijing to Nurburgring. And later, Goodwood this year saw that we were at Nurburgring. They also invited us to Goodwood Festival of Speed this year.
You kind of like glossed over the Nurburgring there a little bit, matey boy, because there's some numbers on the back of your car there. It says 7 minutes, 9.8 seconds.
Well, actually, that's my record. That's the unofficial record with the BTG lap record, basically without the street. So that's 7 minutes 09.8. The official record with the full lap Nurburgring, that's from Xiaomi official driver, Vincent. I think he did it in 7 minutes 04.9.
Whoa. But that was in your car?
This BTG lap time was my car. The official lap record was the Xiaomi car.
Anyway, the fastest this car's been around the Nurburgring with anyone driving was like 7 minutes 25. So you drove your Xiaomi round the Nurburgring faster than the record set in the Tesla by Tesla factory.
Yeah, I think that's the case.
Okay. Am I just about to be humiliated?
Well, actually, I wouldn't say so, because that's a different car and from several years ago. This is a new generation. During the age of electrification, I would say the different generations, there are a lot of changes.
Listen. You have like 1,550 horsepower. I've only got like 1,020. You've got way more horsepower. You've almost got 1,800 Nm of torque. I've got like 1,400. And it's less expensive. How much is one of those in China?
Well, actually, you can make a guess.
I don't need to guess, someone's told me actually. It's like only £50,000, isn't it?
Yeah, I think in pounds, it's this specific one, the basic one with air suspension is £53,000.
Oh, Anyway, shall we get on with racing? We've got cold tyres, right? Is your battery all warmed up and ready to go, or do you not need to warm it up like I do my Tesla?
You also need to, so just 30 seconds, it will be ready.
Is there like a launch procedure like in mine? Mine has to go into like cheetah stance. It's now ready. What about yours? Is yours just straight get and go?
Yeah, I think so. It also prepares itself with the gesture, a little bit lean forward. Yeah.
Did Xiaomi just copy Tesla or something?
Yeah, that's an interesting question. We have to see the result.
Let's move on from that, I think is what he's saying.
Matt, are you sure that you don't need to warm up your tire? Because this one got semi-sleek.
Whoa. You're on semi-slicks? Let's. Yes.
These are the Chinese semi-sleek.
This is.
So it's basically the Chinese Pirelli. Chinese Trophy RS.
No, this is not fair.
But when it's cold, it doesn't work.
Good, let's race. We're just going to do 2 races, then it's a game over. That's it.
Nice try.
This is not fair. Anyway, we'll be able to see how much power this puts down through its data. So thanks to Loutloss for lending us this car. So they do lots of like bits and extras for Teslas. Check them out. Links in the description.
3, 2, 1.
Look, I'm so fast off the line. I knew I'd have him. Come on. No, he ain't going to catch me. Oh, it's coming back though. Hey, that was quick. You're gonna have to get up earlier in the morning to catch me out, matey boy. Did you have some wheel spin?
Yeah, I had a lot of wheel spin, I think, because the tire is cold.
I'm glad your tyres are cold. I need them to be cold. Now, if you want to go down there and then come back and warm up your tyres on the way, feel free. I don't need to warm up mine. This just put in the time that I expect it to.
Okay, no problem.
Tesla quality, mate. Okay, do you feel like you have warmed up your tyres sufficiently?
Yeah, I think it's much better.
Okay, I hope for your sake it is much better, because you got absolutely hammered on the last run.
3, 2, 1.
Just had him on the line again. Where is he though? Is he coming back? Can't see him. He's coming. Come on! Come on! Come on! Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! I just won that. That was the best launch I have ever had, and the best time I have ever had in a Tesla Model S Plaid. And you were coming back at me. Now, normally I would say best 2 out of 3, I've won, game over, let's move on to the rolling race, thank you very much. But I'm going to play fair here. Let's do best 3 out of 5. Let's do another one, and I'm nervous about what's going to happen now.
3, 2, 1.
So I got him off the line again.
Okay, that's close.
Can he pull it back? Come on, Tesla! No!
Oh, I'm coming back. That's pretty close, but I think at the initial stage you are faster actually.
I'm faster at the initial stage just because my reaction is slightly better after having done about 1 million drag race launches, and this only being like your 3rd one. You won, so it's now 2-1. If you hone your launch, you will start beating me by an increasing amount. So that's what your challenge is now, my friend. How much can you beat me by?
Yeah, I will try my best.
3, 2, 1.
Could I win this one? I could win this one. What? That was a perfect launch from me. Crap launch from him, and I think he just nipped it. You need to be more on it on the launch because it's the decider. If you were a fraction of a second later on that launch, I would have won and it would have been game over, and you wouldn't have done Xiaomi proud.
3, 2, 1.
Close on the launch that time. This is definitely quick off the line. Is he coming? He's cocked it.
I think there's a power limit. It's quite a severe limit.
What happened?
I think there's a slight power limit when it launches itself. So there's quite evident drop in power for 1 second, I think.
It hasn't done that before though, has it?
It never happened before, so it's quite stable because we still have 73% of SOC.
Okay, could it be the tyres, like traction, it just lost traction and just cut it? Maybe warm your tyres up a bit more on the way?
Okay.
Kanan, the brakes on that car, are they standard? Is that what you get? Are they carbon ceramics?
Yeah, they're carbon ceramic and standard.
What, for £50,000?
And do you know how much does it cost to repair one of the front discs?
What, in China or in the United Kingdom? In the United Kingdom, it probably costs £50,000.
Yeah, at the moment, if you do it in a Xiaomi shop, it's 1.5k in euro.
this race.
3, 2, 1.
He had me on the line there, but look, this comes good like that. And what's happened to him? Something's happened.
Ah.
Okay, so what happened there? You got the better launch and then it slowed up.
Yeah, I think they have a limitation on power. It's really strange, but the acceleration at over 150 is slow.
It turns out that the battery on the Xiaomi still had enough charge to deliver maximum power, but it simply got too hot. So we left it to cool down before doing one final decider drag race, where winner takes all.
3, 2, 1.
Neck and neck launch. It's coming now. Yeah, his battery's better. Look at that. Oh my God. Whoa.
Come on! Woo!
I think that's it, isn't it, really, Kanan? That's it. Your battery got too hot.
Yeah, I think I've never experienced before because I've never done this consecutive launch. Yeah.
Good launch by you. Your timing was spot on. This still gets ahead a bit, doesn't it? Like the first 100 meters, it's the Tesla, I think, and then that thing just pulls. Anyway, let's do the thing. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Xiaomi won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 9.3 seconds. The Tesla took 9.5 seconds, which is actually the quickest time I've ever had from a Tesla Model S Plaid. Just goes to show how quick that much cheaper Xiaomi actually is.
Before our next race, a quick message that could save you big time. If you're looking to buy a used car, bike or van anytime soon, then this is for you. We've partnered with our friends at Car Vertical to give you a special offer to check that it's not a write-off, stolen or had its mileage changed. Look at this Opel Crossland X on Car Vertical. It's only done 2,487 miles and looks unused, but it's flagged for damage and shouldn't be trusted without a deeper check. You'd never have known that without a car history check. So when buying a used car, bike or van, run a Car Vertical report using code carwow for 20% off or follow the link in the description. Now, back to the race.
Right, now we're going to have a rolling race and we're going to do it from 50 kilometers an hour, which is around 30 miles an hour. So we're going to race over the half mile and I'm going to call it in. We're going to see what happens. Now, if you want to see some amazing deals on the very latest electric cars, you can do that through carwow. So I'll put a link in the pop-out banner, just appearing there, or you can scan the QR code on screen now. Alternatively, there's also a link in the description and the pinned comment. Go check out the latest electric car deals through carwow. You'll be amazed at some of the discounts. Anyway, let's get on with this race now. You ready then? You good?
Good to go.
3, 2, 1, go. Right, now he's pulling, look at that. What's the gap going to be like at the half? Am I going to hit a limiter? This is still flying. Okay, so we are already seeing that there is a thing with the Teslas very good at that initial go, isn't it? It's got the edge on the Xiaomi for that initial bit, but then that thing, that's more like an internal combustion engine car in the way that it goes.
Yeah, especially over 200. It's really persistent. 200 to 300. I think I hit the 300.
Really? It's persistent like a wasp and it looks like a wasp.
Yeah, it's really keep you the constant push.
Right, let's do it one more time and we'll try it from like 100 kilometers an hour, so 60 miles an hour. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, now that's interesting. At that higher speed, that just took off then. rolling. I'm going to do 290 over the line. Woo! All these brakes aren't happy. They're doing better than normal ones. These are upgraded brakes and they're doing way better. By now, the old brakes on the Model S Plaid would just be warning signs and stuff like that. They're just a bit smelly. That was very, very interesting. When we were going quicker, that got the lead immediately.
I think actually I've done this right this time because I've pushed the boost button. This time it gives real full 1514 horsepower.
What? What are you saying?
In the rolling, last time I think it's 1300 something horsepower because I have to press the boost when it's rolling to get 1500.
Oh, okay. I just need to check something. Do you need to press the boost button in the drag race?
That's the interesting part, no.
Okay, so you didn't cock the drag race up, that's fine. It was just that first race, but you still won. Yeah, with boost, it's just faster. Now we're going to brake test from 160 kilometers an hour, also known as 100 miles an hour. When we reach the cones, full emergency stop. Oh! Wow! I'm amazed at that. I saw your car skipping a little bit with the ABS. So I think your ABS kind of like did you in then. I was impressed by this car.
Yeah, I think the tire is cold again, so it is skidding forward.
Ah, yeah, okay. Well, I've won something. I'm not going to let you win everything. I'm happy with that. You happy?
Yeah, actually, because the tire, I think it needs some time to get into the condition, and also it's very easy to get cold because the high speed thing. Actually, I'm impressed by the acceleration at really above 200. Yeah, really persistent.
Yeah, it's really, really strong, isn't it? And I'm quite impressed with this, and I'm impressed with the brakes on it. Anyway, thank you very much to Loutloss for lending us this. If you want to watch some other videos, just click on the video windows, and to check out our latest new range of merchandise, click on the carwow box. How do I stop that bloody... How do you do it on the Tesla? Oh, there it is down there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.